There are many good 5x5s on the market, the Volk 5, Wushuang, Outshuang, and more, but today we are looking at a cube quite a bit older, the Yuxin 5x5, released 5 years ago. What's up, cubers? I'm the Speedcuber, and on this channel I amplify your knowledge by twisty puzzles, but if you're new, consider subscribing. In this video we take a look at the Yuxin 5x5 and see how it stacks up in 2020, 5 years after its release. The Yuxin 5x5 back in 2016 was featured in the Cubicles, a US retailer, Best Cubes of the Year, which was 2016, the year of the original Volk 3. If you want to see comparison of the Volk 3 with other modern cubes, click here to see that video. Running through the basic specs of the Yuxin 5x5, it weighs in at 62mm and weighs approximately 181 grams. The Yuxin 5x5 is fast, with a mix of a smooth and scratchy feeling, with every turn feeling heavy, so this cube would be great for aggressive turners. When doing H-perms, Z-perms, and other algorithms that require the M move, it flows really nicely. Slice moves, not so much. You need to be careful with the cube when doing wive moves and slice moves to keep the layers together. What about corner cutting? First of all, do not corner cut on cubes larger than 4x4. In most cases, it'll just lock up and most likely pop. Modern cubes still do lock up, but not as often. They don't pop, but they'll still lock up. The price of this cube is $25. You can't find it readily available at most cube shops, as it is a discontinued cube. But this would be a great cube for beginners if you can find it. So you don't start with an extremely bad cube that's cheap, but not an amazing cube that costs a fortune. Although the Yuxin 5x5 is not readily available, you can get a cube that's called the most similar to the Yuxin 5x5, the Yuxin Cloud, also made by Yuxin. And this cube has been called the best budget 5x5, so I'd check out reviews on that if you really want a similar cube to the Yuxin 5x5s. Links for everything mentioned in this video will be in the description, but that's all for me today. I am the Speedcuber, amplifying your knowledge about twisty puzzles. Thanks for watching.